This is a Porsche 911 and we're going to refit the whole carpet. First process is to get all the old carpet out and then clean any old glue off the bodywork, and then we hoover it all out so we can start from scratch, and then we can start gluing the new one in. The next step is we start at the front where these pockets are, and then we'll work our way down. Each bit overlaps each other, so we'll work our way back, doing the sills all the way to the back seats. Now I'm just doing around the footwell and the pedals, and then the last bit will be the footwell carpets.